Hi, my name is Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to review a fundraising investor database case study for a client I have in the UK that is looking to raise funds in the FinTech sector. If you watch my previous videos, you know that you can click my Fiverr link below to get information on investor databases for venture capital, private equity, angel groups. I also do pitch deck reviews for clients. If you're getting ready to send your pitch deck out to start raising funds, I have a gig on Fiverr that I can review it for you. Approximately 80% of the pitch decks that I receive are not suitable to be sent out to investors. So this video highlights a comprehensive database of FinTech investors I recently created for a UK-based client. So what is the client looking for? This client is looking for $750,000 US. It is in the tech sector, and just to keep it very generic and for confidentiality reasons, I'm just keeping it on tech, but it is in the FinTech field. They are looking in the USA and the UK, and the database source that I'm using for this is venture capital, family investment offices, and I'm also using micro venture capital and angel groups. They're really looking for around 1,000 to 1,500 targets that they can start to approach. So how do I find these investors? I have a master database of 250,000 contacts in the venture capital, private equity, angel investors, and hedge funds sectors and more, and I use this database to help my clients on Fiverr. So what did the final database include? We ended up with 2,100 total contacts, which included 1,500 emails, 1,400 LinkedIn addresses, and 2,000 websites. And this includes key contacts with the titles and their email addresses. So let's take a look at the database. So all my database searches start on this dashboard, and as you can see here, I have 252,000 contacts, and again, that's venture capital, private equity, hedge funds, family investment offices, and investment banks, everything that has to do with raising capital. And it is an updated database that has not only emails but LinkedIn's in some cases. And for example, if I were to start off with just a simple search of tech and not hit any country or city, then I'm going to come up with 4,455 contacts. If I wanted to narrow that down a bit, for example, let's say somebody was specifically looking for New York as the city, then I would have 217 contacts to take a look at in that case, and then I would simply go here, take a look at the see results, and I could export the search results onto an Excel spreadsheet. So that's how I start off with all my searches for my clients. So now we're over on the database part, and as you can see here, if I scroll down, there was around 7,000, about 7,200 contacts that I have that are in the finance, financial services, FinTech through my database, and that of course includes venture capital. And what this client wanted is a US and a UK filter. So if I take that 7,000, I end up with 2,100, and I've got the full name, the email, the entity type. So you can see these are either micro venture capital, venture capital. There are angel groups in there. Because this client is not looking for a large amount of capital, angel groups are also very good targets. And you can see I've got the firm name, and we've got either the UK or the USA for this entire database, and it's about 70% United States, which is fine for this client. You can see we've got also their LinkedIn addresses. There's about 1,500 here, and their website, and of course the sector. So that is the database that the client eventually will end up with. Are you looking for updated investor databases? My database has over 250,000 verified global contacts. You can also check out the full database of family investment offices. This is the perfect way to access ultra high net worth investors, and I have them in a number of countries and sectors, and you can see it on the chart below. You can contact me on my Fiverr profile. Click my Fiverr link below for more information on my databases. Thank you for watching.